Hey guys, this is how to create free QR codes in Canva. So guys, first thing that you will do is go to canva.com, and from here just simply create a design, or if you already have a design, just simply click on it. And from here guys, just simply go ahead and go to the page. From here, just simply go to apps, and from here just search for QR code. And from here, just click on this QR code and just simply provide the URL. So let's say I'm going to go for google.com as an example, guys. And after that, just simply click on generate code. And from here, you will have a QR code. So from here, just simply scan it. And from there, you'll be directed to the URL that you provided over here. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.